So I want you to lay out your plan. So if you blogged once a month this year and you started to see a little bit of an increase, but you couldn't get to that twice a month, can you get to twice a month for 2024, knowing that once a month started to make a difference for you? If you blogged 4 times a month, you did a weekly blog post, you followed what I teach you and what I recommend, and you saw an increase in keyword rankings, and you saw an increase in traffic, and that led to more traffic, more leads, and more sales for your business, then I bet it's pretty easy for you to think, I'm going to keep doing that. So I want you to lay out your plan. I want you to think about what pages maybe need to be refreshed or updated or optimized. If you have pages that you should refresh, I don't want you to refresh your pages more than once a year. But if you haven't refreshed your optimization on a page in 2 or 3 years, it might be worth looking at. Is there a keyword I could rank better? Is there something that might be a better fit? Is there something I could potentially rank higher? Should I update this, etc.? You could take a look at that and you could plan to do some of that. You could plan out your content for the year. What are the pillars that you're going to focus on? So the way I teach you this, you want your content to tie to your products, your services, and your ideal customers. So you want to make sure that you're being very methodical about this. If you have not yet laid out your content plan for the year, I want you to do that. Choose your 4 topics and then have fun with it. Turn on some music, grab a stack of sticky notes and just brainstorm, or grab a whiteboard. I have both. I do sticky notes, I do whiteboard, I just sit and put ideas into an Excel spreadsheet. Whatever it is, however your brain works. Sometimes I just grab a legal pad and just start jotting ideas down. What questions do your ideal customers ask? What questions are asked in groups? What does Google suggested search show? What are things that people are talking about that are related to your business? Start thinking about all the content that you could plan out for next year. If you're not sure how to do this, join me in Simple SEO Content because we teach all of this. Like, you guys, I can't make this easier for you than just saying, join me in the class because I teach you exactly how to do all of this. But what I want you to do is lay out a plan. Are you going to blog weekly? Are you going to blog twice a month? Are you going to blog once a month? Are you going to update your optimization on any pages that maybe aren't optimized? Are you going to add new products or services for this coming year? Because if you are, then you need to make sure you have content that supports them. Are you going to run promotions? We're going to talk about a lot of this in our marketing one as well. Actually, we talked about it on Tuesday in our last marketing podcast episode. We talked all about all the different marketing channels, but I want you to really lay out your plan. So for me, my plan for 2024 is pretty straightforward. I'm going to continue doing what I've been doing since 2016 when I started this business because it works. So I'm going to blog once a week. I'm going to focus on topics that include search engine optimization, content marketing, blogging, marketing, and small business ownership or entrepreneurship because those are the topic areas that I teach about. I'm going to continue to sell 2 courses, Simple SEO Content and Simple Marketing, so I can teach you how to grow your business. There's a potential I may add in an email marketing class. I'm toying with that thought. We'll see if I have the bandwidth. If not, maybe it'll be a 2025 plan. It's not set in stone, but that's basically what I'm doing. My content, my core content is going to be the blog, and that's because Google likes words to read to rank you. And then I'm going to add in the podcast or the YouTube video clip there so that if somebody wants to watch the video or they want to listen to the audio, they have that option. They don't necessarily have to read the blog post, but that way I have what my ideal customer wants. I have what Google wants. I'm going to optimize all of it, and I'm going to continue working on increasing the domain authority of my website so that I can potentially rank for even more keywords and boost my site's authority. And above all, I'm going to provide great value to my customers. My content is going to be super helpful, and it's going to be consistent, because that's really what's going to be the most important in the long run. So I want you to lay out your plan. What are you going to do in 2024 to achieve your SEO and content goals? So if you've not yet set goals for 2024, go back to the Tuesday Business Owner Marketing podcast episodes and listen to the one on goal setting. And I want you to set your goals for 2024. And then I want you to lay out a plan to achieve those goals. And if you want to join me, I do have the full marketing class as well now. Super exciting. Make sure you're checking the website for that one so we know when the marketing class, I am actually looking at my 2023 planner, my 2024 is on the other side. So I don't have the marketing class date right in front of me, but I will be teaching that, I believe, in February. So you'll be able to come in and learn how to do all the marketing of your business, as well as how to do the SEO and the content. So if you have any questions, you know how to find me. Lay out your plan for 2024. It's going to make your life a lot easier. Spend a few days now planning out your ideas, generating your ideas, putting them into your pillars so you know that you're talking to your ideal customer on a regular basis. I would love to see you lay out your plan for January, February, and March. Go ahead and work on Q1 and determine how often are you going to blog, what topics are you going to blog on, and then where are you going to share that content and get that ready to go so that when you come back after holiday break and you're ready to go in January, you have a plan. If you're not yet in Simple SEO Content with me, go ahead and plan on joining me in the free class in early January, where I'm going to teach you all the stuff to kind of get started, and then you'll have the opportunity to join me in Simple SEO Content that week, and we'll go through all of this together, and you'll be in the student group, and you'll be able to ask questions and get answers and get help. And guys, you do not have to do this on your own. I'm here to help you learn, and I want to teach you. I want you to join me in class. If you have any questions, you can find me. You know how to find me. DM me on Insta at Etched Marketing Academy, or reply back to your weekly email. I love when you guys do. And then do me a little favor, those ratings and reviews, they're super helpful if you wouldn't mind leaving one. Let people know what you love about the podcast. Share it with your friends who also are business owners who are trying to grow their business. It helps us both. All right, guys, you have a fantastic holiday break. I am signing off. I will be back live with new episodes in January.